right?
So now our session begins. So today we will make a secret messenger, which will be a auto messaging app.
Yeah, so as the name of the app is Auto Messenger, so it messages automatically. Okay. Yeah, so now click on the start new project. Firstly, let's do one thing. Let us have an overview of the app. Yeah, so here is the auto responder, or you can say auto messenger app. So it will look like this. Okay. So we will be using many different components today. And this is the blog section. Okay.
Excuse me, CEO.
Yeah.
Sir, can you show them the screens of that?
Of what?
Sir, can you please read the chat?
Yeah. Okay, so now let's start with this. Now Arush will show you the coding as we did yesterday. I will tell you the coding and Arush will do the designing.
एक्सक्यूज मी,
Yeah.
हमें ऐप का नाम क्या रखना है?
Auto responder.
You can also keep it as auto messenger as per your wish.
So quickly open the Mighty App Inventor. Start a new project with name autoresponder. And please don't be shy. You can ask any query if you want. Okay, so quickly change the basic properties. Align horizontal to center, align vertical to center.
Sir,
Yes.
so I have gone to this. I am not
Yes.
getting this
Please ask
screen.
your question. What?
I have not got this screen.
Who are you talking?
Sir, Gursehead.
Sage. Okay, so you can quickly talk to Sanyog as I am checking the app. Sanyog, can you solve her query?
Yeah,
One
please can you repeat
second.
your query?
One second. Okay, now I have got. Sir, what we have to make a name of project?
You can name you can
Autoresponder.
keep the name as per your choice. It does not matter.
Sanyog, I think you are facing.
I think Arush has left the meeting. Okay, no
Hello.
problem. I will carry on with the
Hello.
part.
Hello, is anyone there?
Yeah,
Hello.
you have left in between.
Okay, so now I'm sharing the screen. I have made a change in this app that earlier we have made an app that just a minute, I'm sharing the screen. So first of all,
What we have to do, sir?
Yeah, so we are making some changes in the app. So this app will be like this key. It will help you in sending messages. There will be
Excuse me.
two blank spaces. In one you will write your message and one the phone number in which you want to send the message. Okay. So like this
Excuse
the
me,
app.
sir.
Yeah.
सर हमें अगर न्यू स्क्रीन लानी है तो हम कैसे लाएंगे?
Okay, now I am telling you that. I am telling you. Or you have to click on this button, start new project. Click on this, and then it will ask you for the name of the project. So you can either write autoresponder or auto messenger or anything you want. Then a new screen will open, and the further thing Arush will be telling you. So Arush, can you please start with the class?
Sure.
Yeah, I think Arush is facing some network issues. No problem. Okay, so you all remember the properties of screen that we changed yesterday.
Yes.
Okay, so can you quickly tell me if you remember it properly?
First, we will make the align horizontal to center 3.
Yeah,
Then align vertical to center 2.
Hello. Sayog, now I am doing designing.
yeah.
So this is the app which you have made earlier. So okay, now I am going back, and you have to change the line horizontal to center
Arush,
sensor.
Yug will be telling the properties. He remember it, so
Okay,
it will be a revision for them.
okay. He is not telling something. Okay, so Jaslin has come, Rishi has come, Rajvi has come.
Yeah, so I hope everybody is now with us. You can start with the designing
Okay,
now.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I was saying the properties that time.
Okay. So you can tell us.
Then we will go to background color.
Yes.
Then we can choose any color for the background of the screen.
That's right.
Then we have to go to screen orientation.
Okay.
Orientation.
Yeah.
Then we have to change it to sensor.
Yes. Very good. Two properties you are still missing.
Uh, we have to change. We have to write the title.
Arush, can you please come to the new project?
okay, so this is the project. Quickly add a label. I'll change its background color to red, font bold, font italic, font size 20, font typeface serif, width will be fill parent, text will be yellow, text color will be yellow, text will be I am busy, will text you so I have done till this. Please drop a Y in the chat box.
So you all remember na label. What is the purpose for that? So label. I hope you all remember. It is used for heading and adding a text in our application, and we do not add any function for the label. It works only in designing part. Okay. Arush, you can begin now. I think
Sayuk,
everybody.
please mute Yug.
What?
Sayuk, please mute Yug.
Yeah, I think someone has left the meeting.
Okay, so quickly add a button.
Arush, but we have done the changes, so I think you should make the app according to that. Okay, you carry on with this. We will first make this, then we will see the changes. Excuse me, Arush. Can you please carry on
Which
with
one?
the work?
Quickly add a checkbox right in the palette in the search bar.
Arush, your screen is lagging.
Am I audible?
You are audible, but
Excuse me.
I think you are facing some network issues.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
How to delete a component?
you have to select that component in the component area in the screen, and then at the down you will see a button named delete. Click on that.
Where?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
I've got it.
So
Sir,
quickly
what
add
we have to?
a text box. In the search bar, write text box. So you can see this text box. You have to add after the label. Quickly change the properties. Font bold, font italic. Background color will be magenta. Font size will be 18. Font type space will be normal only. Width we will not change.
Okay, so this is a new component. Now we will learn about this. This is called a text box. As the name
And
is,
hint
it
for
is.
text box will be
Sir, you are.
write your message. Quickly drop a Y in the chat box if you have changed property.
Yeah, so
And
this
quickly also
text
change
box
the
is
text
used
alignment to
for
center.
taking any text input, or it is used for adding text, you can say, in
What?
the app.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
The next level, what do we have to do after label?
Yes.
Arush, I think you are facing network issues and your screen is lagging, so you can do with the coding part, and I will do with the designing.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah, I am saying that your screen is lagging and it's not properly, you are not properly audible. So I can do with the designing part and you can do with coding.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, so I am now doing the designing part. Yeah, so I will just change the properties of the screen. You know this. Now, yesterday we have done the property that is label. It is used for adding text or headings. So we will do that. We will do font bold to make it bold. Font size we will do big to 24, or you can also keep it as 20. Width will be fill parent. I also told you that why we keep width as fill parent. This is because to keep the text that how much we want. If we do it at automatic, then it will only keep a minimum number of text of words, you can say also. Now keep the text as I am driving. Please call me later. Okay, so this is the default text, and now you can change the background color and default and text color as per your choice if you want. Now we will be learning about a new component that is text box. You can find the text box here. Are you all able to see it? Please unmute yourself and say.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so quickly
I
drag
have
and
done
drop
that
this
part.
text box under the label, and then the properties are font bold to make the text inside it bold, and text to make it big we will keep as 24. Now width will be fill parent because the message can be as long as we want. Now this hint, what is this hint? Can anybody explain that? What do you mean by hint? Okay, I will tell. So you are all having WhatsApp. You can just open that, and here you can see that there is a blank space in which we write messages. Please unmute and say if you all can.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the, in this default text type a message is written. So this is the hint. It is indicating that here we need to type the text or the message that we want to send to the recipient. So same we will do here. We will go to MIT App Inventor, and in the hint we will write the message, or you can type the message. Okay, it will be not visible here, but when you open your app, then as in WhatsApp it is visible. It will be like that only. Yeah. So now again a new component. It will be
Hello.
very difficult for you to understand now. So now
Huh?
you have to go in social.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Which properties we have to change in this text box?
Yeah, I will repeat it. We have to check the font bold.
Sanyog.
Font size will be 24. Width will be fill parent. And hint will be write the message, or you can keep it as type the message.
Excuse me, Sanyog. I am comfortable with the designing part, so can I share the screen? Now my network is stable.
Yeah, actually I have now started, so you can take the coding now. Okay. From the next class uh, we will do the same as we did.
Okay.
Okay, so now we will learn about a new component.
Please mute. What
Okay, sorry
happened?
for that. Actually I have muted myself. Yeah, so now that new component is in the social area, and the name is texting. Are you all able to see texting component? So if
Yes,
you
sir.
are, okay, so now you have to take it and drop it in your screen. This is again a non-visible component. So this texting is basically used for sending messages, and it uses the server for the messages app, that is the default app. Okay, the default messaging app, you all
Excuse me,
know about that, I hope.
where is texting? In which option is it?
Yeah, I'll tell. It is in the social option. Over here,
Okay.
you would be seeing social,
Yes, yes.
or you can also search it in the components. You can write texting, and it will come.
I've got.
Okay, that's great. So now this texting component is used for sending messages, and it's used the server of the default messaging app in our phones. So now the properties we will not
Hello,
change.
sir.
Yeah,
सर वो टेक्स्ट बॉक्स वन जो मैम कंपोनेंट है सर वो आपका ब्लैंक है मेरा लेकिन वो वहाँ पे लिखा है टाइप हियर
yeah, because I think you have
Hint.
typed
Hint.
this, write the message in the text component. You have to do it in the hint component.
Hint.
Okay, then it will
ओके
not
सर
appear. Yeah, so now we will change some property. We all only need to change one property. You can see this receiving enabled.
यस
So do it as always. Okay.
सर ओके
Yeah.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर जो आपने
Yes.
लिखा है आई एम ड्राइविंग प्लीज लेटर उसके नीचे आपका व्हाइट लाइन कैसे आई
This is the text box. Here is the text box. You can find it here. This is the text box. Are you able to see? This text box you
यस
have to drop. Are you done, Kush?
Sanyog, Sanyog,
Yeah.
are you remembering that we have to also use TinyDB checkbox button?
Yeah, I am coming to that also.
वो तो मिल जाएगा
Okay, so everybody has changed the properties. We will do the receiving only on foreground. Okay, receiving enabled, do it as foreground.
मैंने किया है
Okay, now we will learn about a new component that is called TinyDB. You will find it in storage. Come on, storage.
बड़ा वाला कहाँ से आता
This is the storage.
है सर व्हाट टाइनी डीबी
Yeah, here it is in the storage. Click on storage and you will find the TinyDB here. And drag and drop this. This is also a non-visible component. So this TinyDB is used for saving anything in our application. We can save data types or any picture, anything using this TinyDB component. It is a very useful component in the MIT. So now we come to the last part of a coding section. We will quickly drag and drop a button in the screen. And the properties are font bold checked, font size we will do 24, and now width will be fill parent and text will be send.
Excuse me, Sanyog, sorry for interrupting you, but we have to also use texting in a checkbox. And a text